Nakikita ko tong concern na to. Busy daw sila, kaya nahihirapan silang mag-low carb. Sa totoo lang, hindi mo naman kailangan pahirapan yung sarili mo. Dahil low carb is not about complicated recipes. If you're busy, low carb could actually make your life easier. Number 1, sa low carb, fewer food decisions. Ang base mo lang dito ay protein at fat at paulit-ulit lang. Ulam lang ang iniisip mo, no snacks, no desserts. Same breakfast, same lunch, which means less mental overload. At number 2, sa low carb, mas stable ang energy mo. Hindi mo na mai-experience yung sugar highs and sugar crashes. This means no more antok after lunch, which can make you productive. And no need for constant coffee just to survive the day. Number 3, sa low carb, less cravings. Kapag busog ka sa protein at fats, hindi ka naghahanap ng tinapay, milk tea, or any snacks. Hindi ka maghahanap ng matamis every 2 to 3 hours. Cravings drop because blood sugar is steady. And number 4, mas konti ang kain, mas konti ang iisipin. Dahil sa low carb, mas matagal kang busog, fewer meals happen naturally. Hindi ka nag-aabang ng next kain, which means mas konti ang prep, mas konti ang stress. Always remember, low carb is not designed to complicate your life. It is supposed to simplify it, most especially when you are busy. If you feel that low carb is stressful, you're doing it the hard way. Incidentally, together with Coach Dan and the Elevate coaching team, we are opening slots for our coaching program. We will tailor fit a program that is doable and sustainable specifically for you. If you want to join in the next batch, please comment down LC Fitness and I will get back to you.